Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video we will learn how to replace a sky on your video in Capcut. Before we start video, if you have not subscribed my channel, click on the subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you do not miss any video from my channel. Now let's start. To save our time, I have two video clips in my canvas library, which one we are going to work on. One, I have my video clip. Then other one is the sky I'm going to replace with. First, we're gonna bring our video clip. We are going to replace sky. Then second clip, I'm gonna bring on top the one we're gonna put sky on. So now we don't need audio from the top. I just mute the audio from the top. To see how it looked like before, I'm gonna turn off the top clip. We're gonna play. As you can see right now, our cloud or our sky is like a little bit blue. To replace, simply we're gonna overlay the one clip we are going to replace with. Then we are going to click on the clip and then we click on mask. From the mask you will choose split. As soon as you choose split, you will see your sky already been replaced. But to work a little bit more, you have to do a little bit more work. We're going to use this one. We can just blend a little bit like this. Once we're done, you can click. You simply done. Just in a quick click, you will see, but we have to do a little bit more masking. As you can see, our sky clouds been replaced already, but that's just a quick. That's the way you can replace. Well, we have to work a lot more to make more smooth. You can play more. You can just simply click on here on the top and you can lock the bottom so you don't change. Now we're gonna move the top one a little up. You're gonna click on basic. You cannot move like that. We are going to move up, and now we're gonna turn on the bottom one again and see how it look. You can also play from here and click on the mask again to work a little bit more again on the mask. You will see here we can bring a little bit down. So now let's see if it made any difference. So in this case, I have a sky is like in my video was like still the video, but if your video is moving, then you need to use keyframe, and with the keyframe you can just move your sky as you video clip moves. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.
I think the girls with their nails done now.